Hi family, I greet you all. So I'm making this beautiful plate to tie a side V-shaped gele with one side round. So if you have been watching my video, I want to say thank you for always stopping by. And then this video is a detailed tutorial class. So here already I have arranged my hands and I started arranging my plate. One thing you should know about plate is if it's not well placed, the beauty will be hidden. Okay, just take your time and make sure you give them 1 inch gap just to make the lines be visible. So here I'm going to be turning my hand to the other side. I told you that it's a side V gele. Alright, so I'll come back just as you see me do, arranging my plate again just to make it look beautiful. The goal is to come out beautiful at the end, so you have to start doing it from the beginning in order to achieve the beauty that you desire. Okay, so here I'm turning my hand, twisting the gele to the other side, and then I will start folding my hands right now, trying to pick my gele. Pick it one by one, keep picking. I picked everything, all right, and then I place it on my head, just as simple as you see it. Then I'll start arranging. So I needed it to be a bit height, to have height, so I decided to extend my hand down. All right, so I extended my hand down, and then I look at it that okay, I love what I'm seeing, and then I decided to fold the other hand. I make a twist with it, and then I place it at my back and use my pin to secure. If you don't have pin, just squeeze and fold it and put it under your gele. But pin will make it stay very, very firm. All right, so that is what I'm doing. So now I'm going to be arranging my gele again, the side. I will use pin to start pinning down. Yes, I'll pin this place down. I'll also pin this. Now I'm using my pin to arrange it, using my pin to secure the places I will love to secure, the places that is not well placed. So I use my pin and then I use my hand. In this place, you have to just take your time and arrange it to your desired taste. So this remaining fabric, I don't want to form any other style to spoil the way I want this shape of gele to look. Then I decided to recreate the style and place it at the back and make sure it's well placed and well lapped. Place it very, very close to each other. Just the same thing I did in the other hand. That is the same thing I'm doing. Take it all the way to the back and pin, and I came back, start arranging my plate again, using my pin to secure the places that I see is showing somehow not being all right. See it? Please share this video so that other people can also see this amazing style and then learn one or two from me. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for always watching my videos. See you in my next video. Bye.